Hey, fifth graders, did you know that you're almost finished for the day? The next thing that we're going to do is the special number page. Your new number is 3,745, and if you look over at the wall, it's hanging up and ready for you. So please take your special number page and write your number, 3,745, and don't forget your name and your number. Then we're going to write the number on each problem. So I'm going to do a little magic trick here. And there we go. They're already filled in. You will be writing these numbers in. There's the bottom. And then on the back. Okay. Now what I want to do is just go over a few things with you. When you're working on this, and you have your number written in, and you finish adding, that answer is called the sum. You're bringing it over here and writing it in word form. Same thing, just a slightly different number, and you bring your sum over here, and this time you are going to write it in expanded form. So I wanted to go over expanded form with you just for some quick practice. So this number is 659,423. What I want you to do is take 6 times and then the place value. So this first one is 100,000. Okay, put it in parentheses and a plus sign. Our next one is a 5, and that is in the 10,000s place. Okay, with a plus sign. The next number is a 9, and it's in the 1,000s. Alright, and you just continue on with it until you get to the bottom of the number, all the way down to the ones place. That's the expanded form that we need to do. On this one, when you subtract, you put your answer over here and then round to the thousands place. On number 4, after you subtract, you write your answer right here on this line, and then you decide if your answer is greater than, less than, or equal to this number. On number 5, the multiplying, you just multiply by the single digit. 6 and 7 are just plain old multiplying, but each time you get another digit. 8 and 9 are dividing. And then down here on number 10, you have your special number, 3,745, and you're multiplying it times 10 to the second power. And you'll write your answer down here on this line. On this part, same number, but now you're dividing by 10 to the second power and writing your answer right here. Okay, 5th grade, after you get finished with this, be sure to hand it in. Hope you had a great day and can't wait to see you later. Thanks. Bye.